Hello Kasturians. In this video you are going to learn about the world from 1914 to 1945. You know, the first half of the 20th century changed the course of world history. Two world wars were fought that caused huge devastation, loss of human life, and damage to property. The entire cities had to be rebuilt. The world prayed for peace. It was when the First World War began. The First World War is also called the Great War. It lasted from 28 July 1914 to 11 November 1918 for almost 4 years. Many countries were involved in it and were divided into two blocks during the war. The first block was the Allied powers and the second one was the Central powers. Under Allied power, the countries like Britain, France, Russia, Italy, USA, and Japan joined together, whereas under Central powers, the countries Germany, Austria-Hungary, Ottoman Empire, which is Turkey, and Bulgaria joined together, and it led to the beginning of the First World War. Here the question is that what caused the war? Before the First World War, many countries were competing against each other to develop and acquire weapons to strengthen their powers. Countries were forming political and military alliances to protect themselves. But the incident that happened on 28th June 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to the throne of Austria-Hungary, was assassinated, means murdered by a Serbian. To this, soon Austria declared war on Serbia, wherein the other countries also joined the war. How was the war fought? Battles were fought in different countries. The war was mostly fought from trenches. As you can see in the picture on your right hand side, the trenches were the temporary rooms which were made on a high land so that the soldiers can hide themselves in them and fire from there. Other than that, machine guns, heavy artilleries, tanks, poisonous gas, and huge submarines were used by Germany. The German submarines, which are also called U-boats, were able to sink many ships of the Allied powers. During this First World War, India supported Britain in the hope that Britain would grant her self-government after the war, as India was slaved under British rulers. Indian soldiers fought in Europe, Africa, and in West Asia. The war ended in November 1918. The Allied powers became victorious, and so both sides signed an armistice, which is an official agreement between the two blocks to end a war. The interwar years. After the war, a peace conference was held in Paris, where the Treaty of Versailles, signed between Germany and Allied powers, where Germany was blamed for the war and severely punished. To prevent such a war in future, the League of Nations was also formed. The years after the war were hard for the people of Europe, which led to the Great Depression in Europe in 1929. The main terms of Treaty of Versailles were that Germany would have to pay a heavy fine. It could not increase its military forces, and some of Germany's territory were to be occupied by the Allied powers. Here you can see the difference in the map of Europe, where the Germany was before and after the First World War. The area of Germany was taken up by the Allied powers. Also, to prevent such a war in future, the League of Nations was formed, and its objective was to solve disputes between countries and maintain world peace. Unfortunately, the Leagues of Nations failed to do so, as it did not bring peace to the people of Europe, to which the period saw the rise of two dictators. One was Benito Mussolini in Italy and Adolf Hitler in Germany. Adolf Hitler was more ambitious of the two. He became the Chancellor of Germany in 1933. His ambition was to raise the German economy and to turn it into a superpower. But he failed to do so. He has a great contribution in the Second World War. In other words, we can say that it was because of him that Second World War had happened. Now let's see what was the root cause for the Second World War. As we have studied that Germany was made to pay a very heavy price for its role in the First World War, and so it almost ruined the German economy, to which Hitler, who was a dictator and a leader of Nazi party, promised the people of Germany to restore the glory of its nation. The rising military might of Germany alarmed the other European powers, and Hitler attacked Poland with a desire to annex or to take control over it. Soon, Britain and France declared war on Germany. How was the war fought? The war was fought on land, air, and water. Poison gas were used on soldiers and civilians. There were air raids and bombs which were dropped on the cities. Warships and submarines were used, and Hitler held the Jews responsible for the Germany's failure. Hitler sent the Jews to labor or concentration camps. Jews, also called Yahudis, they were the group of people who were tortured in the camp and treated inhuman. More than 6 million Jews died in these camps, and this event is known as the Holocaust in the history of Europe. This Second World War was more destructive than the First World War. It started on 1st September 1939 and lasted for 6 years. The two blocks which were made this time were Allied powers and the Axis powers. Almost 70 million people lost their lives in this war. Under Allied powers, Britain, France, Soviet Union and USA participated, whereas under Axis powers, Germany, Italy and Japan participated against Allied powers. When did the war end? As Germany had the upper hand in the war till mid-1942. But after this, the Allied powers recovered and dealt a crushing defeat to Germany and Japan. In the beginning of 1945, Hitler knew that he could not win and committed suicide in April 1945. And so, on 7th May 1945, Germany surrendered. And Japan continued to fight in the Pacific region, to which in August 1945, the USA dropped atom bombs on the two Japanese cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This forced Japan to surrender, bringing the war to an end. The efforts to set up a peace organization had begun during the war itself. Later, on 24th October 1945, United Nations Organization was formed to prevent war in future and maintain peace in the world.